Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Future Dimensions 360. As you guys know, in our last tutorial, we had learned how to fetch data from the endpoint by using useEffect hook with Axios package and how we can set up that data in state variable. Let's see how to fetch single post in today's tutorial by using useEffect hook dynamically. First of all, I'll explain you a bit regarding the URLs. If I'll come to my JSON placeholders, this is the post where we are going and fetching this link. In our last tutorial, we had fetched this link by using 100 posts and we had showed them in our UI or in our React.js application, or we had set it up in our state variable. If I'll move forward a little bit down to the same link, I'll be seeing some sort of get, post, put, patch, and delete request. So let me see this get request in which I have post and then one available here. If I'll move towards this link, you guys can see one post is getting back from this link. If I will change this one to 2, I will be getting another post that ID of that post is 2. If I will be passing this number as 3, I can see that I am getting the post whose ID is 3. So that's mean if I am just appending slash ID in the current URL that we had fetched in my last tutorial, it will return back for me single post. Let's go ahead and see how we can do that. For that one, what I have to do is I will be needing ID first. Let me just remove this UL from here. So what I want is I want to retrieve one post. So I will change this set post to only post. And then second thing is I will be needing an ID. I will say ID and set ID, and then I will be using ID here as slash dollar sign, and then ID will go as a second variable. So ID initial value will be 1, and here what I will do here is I will just show the post dot title here. So initially I can post dot title here. So initially the when the this component will be rendered, the ID will be 1 and this useEffect hook will be called and my post will be set up and I will get single post whose ID is 1. That data here on already like in my browser. If I can see in my React.js application, so one title is available already. That title is for which post? That is for post number 1. You can see submit sunt art face race, some sort of this, like exactly that is the same title available. So if I will go to my browser again, what I want is I want to change this ID dynamically. For that, what I want here is I want an input. So what I will do here in the input is I will say I will pass the value. What will be my value? ID will be the value, and I will say on change I have to pass a change handler that will help me to change this variable value. Set ID will I will set up always the ID with what? With the current value e dot current target dot value of this HTML input. So let me hit save and I'll go here. I will see one. If I will change it to 2, 3, 4, you guys can see I am changing the value, but I'm not able to fetch the post request again and again. Why? Because I had passed the dependency array, empty array. So that's telling React, hey, React, please call this callback inside the useEffect hook one time only. What I have to do here is I have to pass an ID here. I have to tell to React, please watch this ID variable. As soon as the value for this ID variable will be changed, just call this callback hook, useEffect hook callback. Let me hit save and I will rerun. You can see the first ID title is available here. Let me change the value to 2. You can see the title is changing. Let me change it to 3, 4, 5. You guys can see continuously the title is getting changed again and again on the base of ID. This is how you can fetch the post on the base of ID. I hope you guys understand this. Please don't forget to subscribe and like our channel. We'll meet you soon inshallah in the next tutorial. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.